Congratulations to Mpilo Mseleko. Mpilo graduated yesterday. So guys, Makumalo, she was celebrating. Makumalo, she was very happy about Mpilo achievements because guys, Makumalo raised Mpilo very well. So Mpilo's biological mother, she was there. You understand? She was at Mpilo's graduations, guys. Mpilo's mother, she was crying. So guys, Makumalo and Mpilo's mother, they are very happy. Even Msamseleku, he was there. Mangwabe, she is always supporting her friend Makumalo. You understand it? So guys, sometimes when you raise someone's child, guys, Makumalo, she played a big role. She raised someone's child very well. You understand? She sent Mpilo to expensive schools. She paid their school fees. You understand? Makumalo, she was doing everything to Mpilo. Makumalo, she was supporting Mpilo a lot. You understand? Makumalo, she was take care of Mpilo than her father, than Musamseleko. Makumalo takes care of Mpilo than Musamseleko. You understand? Guys, you can be very happy. Even Mpilo's mother, Mpilo's biological mother, she was very happy. Guys, there is no one who can text another woman's child very well, takes care of another woman's child very well. And guys, sometimes you can blame Sneh, that Sneh, she is not going to school or she failed the school. Guys, you don't know that girl she was going through. You understand it? Because sometimes, guys, some of the people, especially those stepmothers, they don't take care of that child. That's why Sneshi is very bitter sometimes. You understand it? Look at Abongwe and Mpilo. Guys, Abongwe and Mpilo, they are very educated. And maybe next year or next year is Abongwe. She can graduate maybe next year, Abongwe. You understand? You can't blame a child because those people, they don't take care of Sneh when she was very young. Because Makumalo, she chose to stay with Mpilo. Maybe Sneh is very rude because guys, you can't stay with a child who is very rude sometimes. You understand? That's why Makumalo, she takes care of Mpilo because Mpilo, she is a very good child. She can concentrate with her schoolwork. You understand? Sneh, she was concentrating on dating boys, what. You understand? Sneh, she was concentrating on pleasure. You understand? But Mpilo, guys, when there is no one who can take care of another child, another woman's child, but Makumalo takes good care of Mpilo. And Mpilo, she is a good child.